So, considering how to make e-learning effective, uh, the first part is we have to know our subject material and take time to research this material to do those classes. All learning styles need to take into consideration for designing online courses. Then facilitate contact. We need to establish online communication and ensure the explanation well. And the e-learning platform needs to be easy to navigate. Also, it needs to be organized for the students. Then we also need to set and communicate goals and that are clear.
At this part, the tools that you need to create an online course are the LMS, that are the space when you are going to upload all your research and also the multimedia things that help the student to engage the attention in the learning course at this moment. We hope you don't forget the website creation, that you are gonna to upload the product that you're going to make for all the internet and help the student to find the reference very easy. Without forgetting the course design, that also that with your research, with as a teacher, your research help the student to engage with different activities that you're going to do, including the multimedia that are images and videos. At this part, we're going to focus on explicit ones.
Gamification uses the mechanics of the game based that can provide educational benefits without overwhelming the student, as it motivates actions, promotes learning, and moves solve problems. Micro teaching involves learning in smaller steps and goes hand in hand with traditional learning. We find micro learning daily and in real time.
When we talk about personalization, we need to take into account the specific needs of each student to help him or her improve their learning process. Some of the elements of personalized learning are the pace of learning, the instructional approach, lessons and activities that are taken upon the students' experiences and interests. One of the most important, mechanics of personalized learning is the feedback. The feedback can be found in implicit and explicit way and can help the student to process the information either manually or automatically. When we talk about continuous learning, it's about the constant expansion and improvement of the learning skills